Hi, this is a very quick overview demo of Microsoft CRM. Coming into Microsoft CRM, you can see the interface is nice and clean and very flat looking. This is to enable kind of a nice cross-device look and feel. You can see the menus come down from the top, nice large buttons, so if you're on a tablet or other mobile type device, you can easily click on them. You notice that CRM has sales, service, marketing as main components, and then some settings. Clicking on sales, I then have the option of getting into leads, opportunities, accounts, contacts, and so forth. I'm going to come right into leads. And you'll notice that I have a list of my open leads. If I change this view to see all of the open leads, you'll notice that I have some that are from a couple of different users here. One of the nice features that I have the ability to pull out this inline visualization and kind of get an idea of how my leads are distributed. So you can see here quickly that Michael has 1, Judy has 1, and Ryan has 7. If I actually click on the bar, that actually dynamically filters the list. And then I could take a couple of these records, say, and let me reassign them to Michael. And then once I refresh my view, you can see now that Michael has 4, Judy has 1, and Ryan has 4. I could continue this process until all the leads were equally distributed, and that's a good way to do that. The next thing I want to show you is actually taking a lead and actually working with the lead, contacting the lead. Say if you were doing some kind of a marketing program and you wanted to reach out and call each of these people, you could enter the phone number. You'll notice that the phone number is actually a hyperlink, and if I click through the hyperlink, it actually pulls up. I have it configured to work with Microsoft Link. It pulls up Link and would immediately allow me to start talking. I'm going to go ahead and close that, but also notice that CRM opens up a phone call activity that I could start taking notes. Once I hit OK, I could have also clicked just left a voicemail. You can see that in this center area, kind of the social or activity notes area, you can see any phone calls or other activities that might have happened. From the lead, see, I do get a hold of Maria Campbell, and she is interested, and this is something that I want to pursue. I can mark that I've contacted Maria, and then I could further qualify. I could choose whether or not Maria might be already in my system, so maybe Maria is part of an existing account or an existing contact record. In this particular case, I'm going to say no, just go ahead and continue anyways. And this just moves me forward one step in the sales process. Notice before I was on qualify, now I'm moving it down. I'm going to develop the opportunity. I might propose on it. I'm going to go through some closing to get the deal signed up and locked up. I can enter the typical sales opportunity pipeline pieces here, estimated close date, say an approximate revenue, maybe I'm at 25% probability, and I can continue to make a few other adjustments, add in the current situation, customer need, proposed solution, and so forth. I'm going to go ahead and save that, and that's the opportunity. You'll notice that the sales process, I can move it along as I go. I can also come back to my full list of opportunities and take a look at the other things that I might be working on. One of the strengths of Microsoft CRM is its ability to quickly configure or customize screens. Let me show that quickly, and then I'm going to wrap up. So in CRM, all of the screen elements are totally customizable. And so to get there, I just pull up my form editor. And you'll notice that the form editor is kind of a representation. It's a drag and drop representation of the screen that I happen to be on. So for example, if I wanted to add a new field, I could create a new field, or I could just take one that's here already and say I wanted to drop in what the customer's need was. So I could document that. I could just drag and drop it onto the form. To actually make this live, I would just save and publish, and then from that point on, that field would then be in that on that screen. With that, this was just a quick walkthrough of CRM. By no means is this everything. Just trying to keep it under 5 minutes so that you get a taste for what might be available. Would love to talk to you more. Thanks.